Kajingelang baarsingi jong G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting SELM kalas sedang mentagasngi ka khanyo trek urbana yoyong bat kajing temu bakong san jong kane kajingelang kalong ban pen I sya kaparthai halor kajingla jong ka Indian Space Research Organization ISRO bat ka Department of Space halor ka Science Mission. Yakani jing play pat ba jong kane jingalang la penlong ha Hotel Courtyard by Marriott ha kabala wan ban don bentalang dau menteri rang ba ka jelak u Conrad ki sangma u menteri khna sarkar kme u bari pet ya platingka upan kat Chowdhury u menteri khna bari pet ya katanat Science and Technology u Jitendra Singh G20 Sherpa Amitabh Khan Secretary Department of Space DOS Somanat S Chairman in Space u Dr Pawan Kumar Goenka nalor ki pat Nakaliang menteri kena ke sarkar kme upan kat Chowdhury hakajing kran jong u ulapan pau bakayok akot jong ke India kala kiustat bha bat kawai ke balasan yang bha halor kane kari ke jing kiustat jong ka new space segment Umenteri rang ba ka jalla u Conrad ki sangma ulaong bah kini ki khyndiat por kari India kala ïohi ya shibun ki jingkylla hakaba kari hi borok kawai kala ya chaprang bakon thoplang ru ya ka north east India bat kumjuru ya ka jalla Meghalaya ya ka ba sham lala ban ïohi ya kum kane ke jingkyustat ka bala penlong ban ya don bentalang ha ka jingkyu ka yok akot jong kari India.
As the presidency of the G20 was taken over by India, the Honorable Prime Minister had proposed that the different programs and the sessions should be held in different parts of the country. And as a result, today we are seeing that this particular program and this particular area is of space technology and space economy. The program is being held here in Shillong, and we are co-hosting it with the Department of Space. And I would like to once again thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his great vision to ensure that all the different states would participate in the overall G20 programs. We'd also take this opportunity to welcome all the delegates. We're very happy, and I hope that they are comfortable. And I hope this program also is something that we're very excited about. It's a subject that is something that is going to be of great importance to not just our state but the entire world. And therefore, we're happy that important decisions, discussions and policy matters will be discussed here in Shillong when it comes to the collaboration of different programs being held by different countries. As you know, the G20 countries, almost all the G20 nations are investing very, very aggressively in space technology. And therefore, the timing of this particular program in Shillong is of great importance, because we are seeing that that in the area of space technology, that there are a lot of areas which need to be worked out. There is policy matters need to be discussed. All the countries need to come together and discuss how they should move forward. So hence the timing of this program also is very crucial, and therefore we're very happy that Shillong is becoming part of a very important historic discussion that is taking place on space technology and space economy. Overall, as G20, Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole has to contribute, and I'm sure will contribute more in the coming years. We have seen that slowly and steadily Northeast India has been now contributing much more to the overall economic activity in the country, and we are hopeful that through these programs we will see much more collaboration between the Northeast states and the G20 nations, so that we're able to build up the overall economic work that's going on in the state and in the region as well.